Hey guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's following video I'm going to walk you through how to subscribe to Mack app on a device. So to know more about this, you need to watch this video till the very end. Let's get started. So subscribing to Mack Plus unlocks premium features like ad-free listening, higher quality audio, streaming, unlimited downloads and access to lyrics. So this is like taking a premium of this app. So to do so, you can also subscribe it from their website. Like you can just visit their subscription page, like go to their audiomack.com/premium and choose a subscription plan, select your preferred plan, like example you want for monthly or annual. After that you just need to create or log into your account. If you don't have an account, sign up or using your email, or if you have already have an account, then you can directly log in and you can enter your payment details and confirm the subscription. So if you're doing it from your Mack mobile app, you just need to open the app, launch the Mack app on a device, navigate to premium upgrade, tap on the option my library button, which is usually found at the bottom right of the options. Now look for the option to upgrade to Mack Plus or similar to, like select the subscription plan, choose your desired subscription plan, like you want subscription for monthly or annual according to your choice, and after that go to process payment. The app will guide you through the payment process using your device app store, like from your Google Play Store or Apple Play Store. After doing all of these, you can confirm and enjoy. After payment, your account will be upgraded to Mack Plus and you can enjoy after confirming it. So also for those users who are without credit cards, there are alternative payments methods, like Mack offers various payment options depending on your reasons. For instance, in certain African countries, mobile wallets and local banking options are available. Detailed steps like visit Mack's help center for a comprehensive guide on purchasing Mack Plus without a credit card. So now by subscribing to Mack Plus, you directly support artists and enhance your listening experience in Mack app on your device. So that's it. That's how you can do it. That's it for today. Hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon of our channel. Thank you and see you in the next video.